Ki khubor ka bate si TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
Meghalaya Football Association klatre borba ban Pynbna ijinan kam jong kamadan nilekai football hajian stadium polo berkumju kamadan kilanmen kebadan nihu na kebantaman pedang ki atli international match kebre kejinglekai parlok persha ya ke Maldives keban Shillong khandai trek uleber acara pausan Baban penbuat pat sa kajing kon jong ka AFC Asian Cup acara ponyo qualifier persha ya ke Bangladesh keban Shillong ka pusantri ulber acara pausan Kendai ru kesin meningkong bagi jalan Meghalaya kan yo ya kini ka kabuksier ben perlong ya kini ki atli ke lempung ilekai hanong ba Shillong keban kring ki po jarngot kiri Ïaid football jong ka jela pat nikwi pat ke jela jong ka than jitile mingi kiri India Vice President Joke MFA uba Cliff Arnongrum Buru Secretary Joke MFA uba Sunes MCM klepentip bagajingale kai parlok keban long hapdeng ke India persya ke Maldives kan long Beit Kumba Pynbna.
Actually, we are on the platform of preparing for this both the matches both for Maldives and the India Bangladesh AFC qualifiers. So we are now on the preparation with the government of Meghalaya as well as with the IFF for this two matches to happen in Shillong. No, honestly speaking, I was very surprised to see that news in the social media to say that Maldives is not coming to Shillong, whereas MFA we have not received any official intimation from the IFF that Maldives is not coming to Shillong. But whereas mails have been coming to MFA for the Maldives coming to Shillong on a certain date, even today I have received a mail that they even have deputed the match commissioner for the India-Maldives game. So this is I wanted to say that there's nothing as such like that whatever has come out in the social media. So it has been confirmed that Maldives is playing India on the 19th.
And they are coming one day ahead of the scheduled arrival.
Of the scheduled arrival, they requested for that. Yeah. So we have arranged for it accordingly.
Work is still going on. We are waiting for the machine to arrive from Calcutta. Hopefully in a week maybe everything will be fine. So we'll keep you update.
The other day, me and Cliff and the President Bahamlet, we had gone for the inspection physically to the ground. We have seen the grass have grown well, but the only thing is that that it needs rolling the ground. Otherwise, it's almost okay.
Some undulation is there.
Some undulation is there where it may cause some inconvenience for the players to have a practice. But then I think it should be okay without the machines coming from Calcutta. I think first of all, I think AFF must have seen that the Shillong had been hosting the Durand Cup successfully, and as you know, Shillong is a hot tourist destination with the facilities available. So actually there was an offer from the IFF to the Meghalaya Football Association whether we could have this. So anyway, we thought that we would approach the government. I would offer my sincere gratitude to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya who has agreed to support us for this event.
That depends on the coach, and we'll see how the performance is in ISL. Right now we can't say anything. Yes. Right.
So as you all know that this is the survival of the best.
Yes.
Whoever is the best will be picked up. And I hope that I think many of the Northeast players will be in the Indian team.
And we hopefully maybe if one or two players from our states
could be maybe Redeem Talang would be included in the team.
Or Rigi Shamung will be very, very happy.
Actually, having these matches, I think will give a lot of encouragement to the young players actually. And we thought that that during the days that the Indian team will be camping here in Shillong for around 13 to 14 days. From the MFA side, we have had a discussion that we would have an interaction with the boys of different academies, so that they draw inspirations from these players. So maybe we look at it in a very, very positive way.